Welcome to this tutorial on how to stream your videos, finding them to meet the exact duration and content needs for your audience. To trim your video using Yuzzit, begin by importing your video into the platform. Simply navigate to the upload option within Yuzzit, choose your video source and bring in the video you wish to trim. Keep in mind that Yuzzit supports various video sources. This means you can pull video directly from your computer or cut them directly from your live stream. Once imported, you will directly find it in the media library within Yuzzit. This is where all your videos and media are stored. Locate and click on the video you wish to trim. Upon selection, click on the Trim button. Upon entering the trimming interface, you will notice several features. Let's walk through them. Trimming your video is straightforward. Move the initial cursor, the blue one, and the final cursor, the yellow one, to the preferred section on the video. While navigating the timeline, a thumbnail will surface, giving you a sneak peek on the current frame. To enhance your precision in trimming, utilize the zoom function on the timeline, enabling selection on a frame-by-frame basis. Once you've finished, just click on OK, and you will be redirected to the media library where you will find your trimmed media. If you want to create multiple trim segments from a single video without having to close and reopen the trim window, just click on the Create Multiple Media button. You can set specific start and end times for your trim. If you need to maintain a clip's length but adjust its location within the timeline, you can easily do so by dragging the highlighted section. Yuzzit provides an option to set exclusion zones. This is particularly handy if you wish to exclude sections like ads or irrelevant content. You will only have to click on the scissor icon and select the segment you want to cut out. Once you have made your trims and are satisfied with the edits, Yuzzit provides a variety of export options. You can choose the video option if you require a video file. Opt for GIF for a shorter, looped version. Select MP3 if you are only interested in the audio from your trim section, or use the snapshot feature to capture a still frame from your video. That concludes our tutorial on trimming your videos using Yuzzit. Hope you find it insightful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.